What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And the workers were outside of Sterling Heights protesting and basically letting Stellantis know that they are going to strike. All while Carlos Tavares is supposedly in town and might be selling brands to BYD. Yeah.
For the longest time. Whoa. For the longest
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, got it.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about Carlos Tavares basically not giving a crap. Their baseline response is, oh, well, there's language in the contract we signed with the UAW that we didn't have to do that in a specific time. So what you're telling me is you agreed to reopen Belvedere, but because of language or whatever you put in that contract, that you're not going to reopen it for 5 years, 6 years. Now, they say it's only going to be another year, like they're putting it off another year. But we've seen you do this before. Like, we can't trust what you say as far as we can throw it. And I'm just being honest here. It doesn't look good. So basically, workers were outside of the plant at the assembly plant at Sterling Heights. We'll roll this clip that came in from Detroit News Channel 7. Well, I've never been copyright claimed for audio before from a news post, but evidently it happened here. You can see a lot of the workers outside of the Sterling Heights assembly plant here, affectionately called SHAP. And the company is trying to say that basically they're not in violation of the contract, but the UAW is saying, hey, look, the contract says this, you guys aren't honoring it, we're going to strike. And it looks like they're going to do that around mid-October at this point right here. You can see a lot of the workers outside are all saying, and they all said the same thing in this post that I got to see that said, hey, we will do it because, you know, they want the Belvedere plant open, and that's one of the things that the unions will do. And they said it. They said, keep the promise or we'll shut it all down. So, all right. So here you guys can see the official response from Stellantis saying that they agreed in language and that their language let them weasel out of this within a certain amount of time, basically. I don't know. Whose side are you on here? So I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you think the strike hurts Stellantis or does it hurt the workers more? Because it looks like the workers are on board. It looks like the workers are like, F it, I don't care. The only thing that they're more concerned about right now is making sure that the terms that were set into the contract, investments, factories, things that they said they were going to do, is honored. And I get where they're coming from on that, because if they walk that back, what else do they walk back? Do they keep laying off people? Because I think that's the plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Let's have a discussion in the comments. Do you think they are going to strike? And as always, stay petty, my friends.